Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this equation. Y is equal to negative 4x squared plus 24x minus 27 down here. Now for this, I can't divide by 4. But what I can do is divide by -1. But I'm not actually going to divide by -1 because I can't really do that. I'm going to factor out the -1. So I'm going to pull out -1, -1, and -1. And I do that because I don't like a negative in front of my x squared. And so when I do that, I get y is equal to negative, and you don't have to write the 1, 4x squared minus 24x plus 27. The other reason why I like this is it takes my 27 and makes it positive, which makes it actually easier to factor. Right? Now we are factoring a 4x squared equation. All right? Now, it could be 1 and 4, like x and 4x, or it could be 2x and 2x. And on the right side, it could be 1 and 27. It could be 3 and 9. Now, these have to all be negative, like this. Okay. And then we're looking for a combination that equals 24. So I'll let you try it out. I'll give you a hint. It's probably going to involve the 2x and 2x. Now, once you have it, in fact, I'll go ahead and just give you this hint. 2x, 3, and -9. That's like -18x, and -6x. That, of course, adds to equal -24. So when we set it up, you're going to have your negative on the outside. And remember, I'll change these colors, actually. Remember, you're going to have one that you want to pair as an inside and one as an outside. So we'll say like 2x minus 9 could be like your inside pair, and the 2x minus 3 might be your outside pair, like this. And you get it your factored form. It's going to be, and it's going to come in the form of y equals minus, and it's going to be some value x minus, minus something, and then some value x minus something. So it's going to look something like this, right, in your final form, right? And then from there, you would just solve the x-intercepts like normal. So it would just be like something. Now, in this case, you could have a decimal or a fraction. So it makes it, right, for your intercepts. The line of symmetry is going to be between them. And this one, it is a case where it should be a whole number. It should not be a fraction. So it should equal some whole number value. And then you once again take that whole number value and you plug it in. You could plug it into this equation, or I often find it easier to plug in here. So you take this and you would just take this and you would have it kind of go into our x values here and solve. And you would get, when you do that, you would get y equals some value, green. And then our vertex would just be, that would be our x value, which is our line of symmetry, and our y value would be the green value that you calculated when plugging it into the original equation, like this. And that's everything.